Strategic content planning is essential for impactful marketing. It involves setting clear objectives, understanding your audience, and using data to guide decisions. This approach ensures content aligns with business goals, maximizes engagement, and drives measurable results. By focusing on quality over quantity, marketers can create meaningful connections and optimize resource allocation, ultimately enhancing return on investment. Content marketing thrives on strategic impact over sheer volume. It's about creating meaningful audience connections, not just filling calendars. A clear plan aligns teams, eliminates redundancy, and optimizes resources, boosting return on investment. For instance, a startup chief executive officer doubled traffic in 3 months with a structured plan, turning content from expense to investment. A content marketing plan is a strategic roadmap guiding content creation, distribution, and performance measurement. It aligns with business goals and addresses audience needs. This framework builds brand awareness, establishes thought leadership, generates leads, nurtures relationships, and converts prospects into loyal customers, supporting multiple objectives simultaneously. Establish SMART objectives to align with business strategy. Understand target personas deeply, focusing on demographics and motivations. Conduct a content audit to evaluate existing materials. Define a distribution strategy for optimal reach. Identify key performance indicators to measure content effectiveness and return on investment. The Content Marketing Matrix is a strategic tool, mapping content types across buyer's journey stages: awareness, consideration, decision, and the emotional rational spectrum. It helps identify content gaps and brainstorm formats that resonate at each stage, ensuring balanced investment across quadrants to optimize results. Developing detailed personas involves identifying customer segments with unique needs, challenges, and content preferences. Map these personas to the buyer's journey stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. Tailoring content to these stages, as shown by a software-as-a-service company increasing conversions by 35%, highlights the effectiveness of targeted content strategies. Content formats must align with the funnel stages. At the top, use educational blogs and infographics to build awareness. In the middle, nurture trust with case studies and webinars. At the bottom, drive conversions through product demos and testimonials. Each stage requires tailored content to effectively guide prospects through their journey. Creating content requires varying time investments. A standard blog post takes 3 to 4 hours, while a long-form search engine optimization article demands 6 to 8 hours. Case studies need 8 to 12 hours due to interviews and data analysis. Video content is the most time-intensive, requiring 10 to 20 hours for scripting, filming, and editing. Efficient planning ensures effective resource allocation. Search engines drive awareness by attracting users through optimized content, establishing authority. Social media enhances awareness and consideration, amplifying reach and fostering community engagement. Email marketing focuses on consideration and decision stages, nurturing relationships with personalized content and driving specific actions with measurable outcomes. Balance content types across formats and funnel stages to engage diverse audiences. Schedule consistent publishing to build expectations and maintain momentum. Allocate promotion time across channels. Include review cycles for quality control and stakeholder approval. Plan seasonal campaigns aligned with business initiatives. Use tools like Trello, Asana, TeamGantt, and CoSchedule for efficient planning. Traffic, engagement, conversion, and return on investment are essential metrics for evaluating content success. Traffic metrics analyze sources and audience demographics. Engagement metrics assess time on page and interactions. Conversion metrics focus on lead generation and sales. Return on investment evaluates revenue impact versus content investment, providing a comprehensive performance overview. A business-to-business company conducted a content audit, revealing gaps in middle funnel content. They developed buyer personas and mapped content to journey stages. Using a content marketing matrix, they created 12 new pieces for the consideration stage. Promotion strategies across search engine optimization, email, and social channels led to a 40% lead increase, 65% engagement growth, and a 28% conversion rate improvement. Utilize the content marketing matrix to ideate content across emotional and rational dimensions. Access free templates from Smart Insights. Employ the one-page strategy template from the Content Marketing Institute for team alignment. Leverage pre-built analytics dashboards for performance visualization. Use editorial calendar templates for systematic content planning and promotion. Define SMART objectives aligned with business goals and create personas through research. Audit existing content to evaluate performance and identify gaps. Use the content marketing matrix for ideation. Build an editorial calendar with deadlines and responsibilities. Set key performance indicators and review monthly to adjust strategies, transforming content marketing into a strategic business driver.